It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
What I need to do is remove this heat wrap because this is causing a lot of rust, and we don't want rust because rust causes us more issues. So let's remove this heat wrap. Look at that, it's all falling to pieces anyway. Seen it? Let's remove this. It's never dry here in it. Oh my god, look at all the dirt it's got behind it. It's never warm enough here in the UK for it to dry. We're always driving through water and snow and rain and more rain and you name it. So I don't see the point of having this on personally. Oh my god, the amount of rust that's behind that. Oh my god. Unbelievable. You just see all dirt and rust and whatnot. Just wanting to fall off. Good on race cars and track cars. Keeps the heat in. Might add a few BHP. But the daily cars, I won't recommend it. Look at that. You can just see how much rust is falling off. Oh my god. You gotta get in this, but oh hell. Oh bloody hell. Yeah. Yeah, good job. Now that. Definitely pure stub holes. Stay on that. Got all that's come out of that. That's just one corner. All that rust just come off one corner. Big massive chunks of it. I bet you are all gonna remove your heat wrap for a daily car now. Watch, it's literally just chunks falling off. Watch, half has gone up my bloody arm. Watch this. Yeah, look, it's just falling off. Big chunks of bloody rust. Look at that. Look at that. Just falling and falling and falling and falling. Look at that. Oh my days. Oh my god. See, look, bad things happen, but it brings some goodness as well, like now. If that exhaust manifold didn't crack, yeah, I would have left this heat wrap on. And what would have happened is I would have had to change the manifold and the downpipe. You're gonna have to inspect this after we take this. But look how much is falling off. I thought I nearly stabbed my finger there. So yeah, look, I've literally just took this one corner off. You have to go all this side and all this side to go, yeah? Look at that. Look how much rust there is. Move this out the way, yeah? That is a lot of rust. Wow, that's shocking. any longer, we would have had no manifold left. Oh my god. It's like raining rust. Something rusts on it. Wow. So yeah, I would definitely recommend you guys that are running heat wrap on road cars to remove it. Unless you're just driving in the summer when you don't get no muck or whatever, yeah, but look at that. Just raining rust. Hopefully when I drive it that'll help clean a bit of it, but my god, it's raining rust, not even joking. Right, I'm gonna crack on, remove the rest of this. That's a lot of rust we've just brushed up, yeah? Look at that. That is a lot of rust, man. Wow. So I would personally advise anyone who's running heat wrap to remove it, because look at that. That's literally a handful, look. And more. That's like 3 handfuls of rust. Good job the manifolds are quite thick, otherwise that would have ripped through other metals straight away. The rust would have just ate it all up.